Brass body, stainless steel shackle. USB charge port, lithium battery. Fast reader, double locking system, water resistant design. The factory default model, open by any finger. Place your first finger on reader and hold for 8 seconds until blue light on. Place your target finger on reader for 4 or more times until you hear beep, the first finger enroll. Success! This lock will be opened by the enrolled finger only. Use your administration finger authorize the enrollment. Hold until blue light on. Release and let blue flashing. Print your new finger for 4 or more times until beep. Now you successfully enrolled your second fingerprint. Use first or second enrolled fingerprint to authorize the new enrollment. Print your new user finger 4 or more times when blue light flashing. Put your first or second manager fingerprint on reader until red light on. Hold it. Yes, now put manager finger on reader again. All the fingerprints has been just deleted. This lock back to factory defaulted model. Please visit the unitylock.com for any question about locks.